gonna record now. And right now, scootering, cleaning the garage. And so I'm gonna try to ride this scooter and go a little faster, so you guys can see me well. So now I don't know really what to do. I'm cleaning the garage. I found some treasure in there. Well, only one treasure. Whoa. It's kind of hard to vlog while scootering. So I am right now and to do something right now. I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna walk. It's easier. I'm gonna just put this right here. So now I can walk. It's the morning right now. If you guys can see me quite well. Okay, anyways, this works now. There. So we'll tell you all about what we're doing here. So we wanted to clean the garage. And now I'm talking about getting the balls away because we have so much balls in the house. We've never really used them. So there's also music on. Okay, so now I'm going to go outside and vlog. So I still have no idea what this is. Because I just showed you it. You guys see it? Hope you do. Because I want you to see. No! Don't take that away!
You don't use it. Don't have
It's one of my favorite toys. Anyways, I'm gonna sit down right here and let's talk about things. So, what do you like? Oh, it sounds like she has a hose with a heated box making so much sound that we've never used. So it's very old. I really have nothing to show you. It's just a random normal house. I don't want to show it to you guys. I don't know why. I just don't like showing it to you. So right now I'm outside and I might, there's nothing to show you yet, so I might end it right here. But I think I'll tell you what they're talking about. No, I'm not gonna tell you. I'm gonna try to ride in the scooter again. And let's see, this time I'm gonna be able to do it or not. This is good. And so I think it's pretty good for a try. So that was fast. Anyways, I'm going to now Anna. So now I'm going to right now ride on the scooters a little bit. And I'm gonna record more videos today. Well, this day, since, yeah. And, whoa, the fur cabin. Whoa, lots of sound going on in here. There's a white car behind me if you guys can see it. It's coming out. So, now I was getting pretty tired. So I'm gonna end it right here since I had nothing to talk about. Hey! Hey! That's my sister. So, I'm gonna end it right here. Hey! Do you want to say anything else?
No.
She said no. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna end it right now. Right here. Now. So, goodbye, people.